Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. Friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today I am showing a all-hit and trendy gorgeous collection of floral printed bodycon dresses. So friends, I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find all trendy ideas in our videos. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, this video will be very helpful for you and if you are new on my channel, so please, friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas. Please subscribe my channel and like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Friends, you can get ideas, so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous outstanding ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.